Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log out in your Messenger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you open your Messenger app from your home screen, you will end up in this kind of interface. All you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon. Then once you do this, you need to hit the settings option, and from there you need to simply scroll down the drop down menu bar and tap on see more in account center. So once you're here, you need to tap on the password and security. So after you tap on password and security, we'll end up in this page where you need to tap on the security checkup. So now this will allow you to show the accounts that are in your device. So simply tap on the accounts and then you will be in this page where you need to now select the device which you want to log out, and once you select it, you will simply have to tap on the logout option. Once you do this, you will get logged out from your Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.